La. Where have you come from? You live in Ba? Or?
From
Because
Ba,
Lautok all over the place, eh?
Yeah.
The bridegroom is from Ra, or the bride is from Ra? Is the bride from Ra? The bride? No. From Ra?
From Benga.
From Benga? Oh, okay, okay. Very colourful. Oh dear, how are you? Ladies are looking very colourful.
Thank you.
Also, how are you? Oh, you're waiting for the food, are you? Okay. Beautiful tree, isn't it? Eh?
Not yet on. We're gonna get the 2 feet and we unlight.
Sorry, what was that?
Need to get the 2 feet. The temple.
Oh, okay, for the tree?
Yes.
It'll be lit, will it?
It'll be lit.
Oh, okay, okay. Fantastic. Wow. I can smell food. I can smell food.
Yeah.
Smells very, very good. Just have a look. The sunset is beautiful, isn't it? The sunset, fantastic. How are you, ladies? How are you, dear? How are you? Looking very pretty, very glamorous.
Thank you.
I love the sunset. It's just spectacular, isn't it? Just amazing sunset. It's so lucky, isn't it?
That's a bus sunset.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Excuse me. Hello, ladies. Are you in charge of the food? Are you? Okay, you're looking very colourful. I love the palm fronds and everything. How are you, ladies? I love that sunset in the background. It's just spectacular. How are you? Good.
They're mixing juice here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Sama nam don ramu?
Will they mix? Somebody mix kava? No.
No, we don't drink kava.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Well, how are you?
This is the juice gang.
Oh, okay.
Juice corner.
This is the juice corner.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
Oh, this is amazing.
Bula. Want to have a taste of a...
I'll come back. I'll do some recording and I'll come back. It's look at the sunset.
Oh, nice.
Look at the sunset. It's amazing with the sunset.
Beautiful.
Beautiful
Away
sunset.
from here?
I moved away. I live in Italy now, but I came back because of the virus. Came back in April. Because it's safe here, isn't it? It's gone a bit crazy, isn't it? The virus, isn't it?
No place like Fiji.
Yeah, yeah. I was born here, and I used to work as a lawyer many years ago. Then I left, but now I've come back. And this is.
Working with
I'm not working at the moment. No, I'm making videos about all sorts of aspects of Itokai culture. So I want to go to Niao.
No.
Yeah. You're joking?
Yes.
There is a man from Niao. Niao.
No.
Niao.
No. It's no.
Niao. Okay. There is a man with. He has 165 letters in his name. He's from the village.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know the guy,
yes,
do you?
Yes.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
the Fiji name.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, yes. I want
So
to go.
you wanna go in?
Yes.
Oh.
I know a lady. She works at in Deneral.
Oh.
She's related to him.
Oh, so
So
you-
she's making arrangements for me to go. I was supposed to go. Oh, what is it?
That's
Juice?
yes. Fruit juice. 100% fruit juice.
No. Really?
Blended fruits.
But it's a lot of colour.
Huh?
It's not.
100% blended fruit juice.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Mango,
Okay.
pawpaw,
Really?
and pineapple.
Okay, I'll come and try some in a minute.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you have to try now. You can
Try now?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yes, yes.
I don't want to get in front of anybody. Maybe. You sure it's okay?
Yes, you
Okay.
can try now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna- Thank you.
Taste. How
Nice.
it taste?
Mm.
Taste.
Nice and cold.
Yes. Yeah. Handmade juice. Homemade.
That is beautiful.
Yes.
What's I can taste pawpaw,
Yes.
banana,
Yeah.
mango.
Orange. Orange.
Mango
Oh, okay, okay.
and pineapple.
Pineapple.
I can taste pineapple. Yeah, yeah.
It's all blended. Yeah.
Beautiful color.
Pero ni beron-beron na kita naman.
So lucky with the weather, eh?
Yes.
Beautiful with the sunset. That sunset is amazing. Oh, the knockout. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
kind. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'll come back. Thank you, then. All right, ladies, there we go. And what are your names?
Faith. I am Faith.
Faith?
Faith. Mela.
Mela?
And Lova.
Lova? Not Lovo?
No, Lova.
Lova, okay. Okay. Thank you, dear.
So check 1 2 1 2.
How are you? Okay?
1 2 3 check.
Ya, taxe.
Check.
Kaya puse.
So
Nakabos.
so
Ako tayo may bila na kita telepon.
so
Okay, here's the thing. I happen to be walking past this church not too far away from here, and there was a wedding taking place, and I asked if I could go in to take some pictures of the bride and the bridegroom, and this being Fiji, they were extremely hospitable. They asked me to come and attend the... Hang on, sorry, I need to break for a minute just to show you something. Hello dear, how are you? Very beautiful with the... Hi, how are you ladies? All right. The Marti is amazing, isn't it? The train, the Marti train. It's fantastic, isn't it? Beautiful, yeah.
Thank you so much for availing yourself this evening.
Now, the girl family, they taking her to present to the boys.
Okay, so
Now,
they,
the officials.
they're taking the girl to present to the boys?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. And where is this happening?
Here, on the ground.
Okay, 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 thank you, thank you. Okay, this is what's happening. As the gentleman just said, the lady who's just got married in the church that I attended is now being presented to the guy she just married. And so the family are presenting her to her husband and possibly to the in-laws. That right there is the Marti train, and that is just extravagantly beautiful. It's just incredibly stunning. Such a beautiful Marti train. These are some of the traditional presents that are being presented to the boys' family. Okay, I found a little quiet spot over here just to give you an update of what's just happened. Anyway, as I said earlier, before I broke away to show you the bridegroom's family with the presentation of the girl to the bride to her husband and the family. Before that just happened a few moments ago, I was saying that I just happened to be walking past this church. And I asked to see, they were so hospitable, I asked if I could have a look at the bridegroom and the bride in their traditional Fijian costumes, wedding costumes, and they were absolutely effusive. They couldn't believe what an honour it was for me to go and have a look at them. Then after that happened, after I took pictures, they asked me to come to the reception, and this is very Fijian. I was invited to the reception here at the grounds of the church, and yeah, that's just about it really. This is Fiji. There's no standing on ceremony, there's no RSVP. This is, you just come along and be part of everything that's going on, and that's just amazing. It really is incredible. Anyway, I'll just show you that sunset over there, by the way. It's just spectacular. What a glorious sunset, just absolutely amazing. Anyway, I'll just show you a bit of the rest of what's going on here. This is I've got a tent erected for the various guests who've turned up. What also, how are you?
Yeah, bro.
How's things, okay?
Yeah.
This is beautiful, isn't it, eh?
Yeah.
Fantastic. It's very big as well, isn't it? Eh? And
Yeah.
the sunset. You know, I keep talking about the sunset,
Yeah.
but it's wonderful, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm just going to...
Thank you.
Thank you. I just love that sunset, honestly. No, that's all right. You carry on. No, don't worry. You carry. Don't worry about me. I just that sunset is just. Normally you see. I mean, look at the streaks in the cloud as well. You know, it's just spectacular, isn't it? It's just the most amazing sunset. Normally you don't see it this time of the year. You know, it's June, July, August. You know. Well, that's just amazing. Okay, sorry ladies, I'm just gonna go into Can I ask you, lady, what's this here for? Baptism?
Yeah.
It's for baptism, is it? Okay. I thought so, it looked like it, you know? I thought maybe like for horses to come and drink water, but no, it's for baptism, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is for baptisms. I kind of worked it out for myself, but I wasn't sure. Anyway, let's have a quick wander round. As I said, I'm here in the most fortuitous circumstances. It's a very typical Fijian invitation in that you don't worry about ceremony, you don't worry about invitations, you just come along and everything will be fine. So this is it. The lights have just come on. So the lights have just come on over these tables. The lights have just come on over these tables, and presumably this is where the guests will eat a bit later. Now I don't know how much I'm able to convey. I don't know how much I'll be able to have a look at this over here for the I don't know how much I'll be able to convey as it gets dark. Let's see, because this GoPro Hero 8 is not very good in low light conditions. It's holding itself up pretty well at the moment, but I don't know what it's going to be like as soon as the sun goes down and it gets dark. But let's just go with the flow, shall we? So this is the kind of red carpet for the bride and the bridegroom, and that's their cake. Sorry, it's a beautiful cake. It's a lovely cake. That's the cake. That's beautiful, the way that's been put together. So the sun has gone down. It is, let's have a look, looking at my phone. We started daylight saving a few days ago. Daylight saving started a few days ago. It's now coming up to 8 o'clock, so it's nearly 8 p.m. Sun has gone down. There are streaks of red in the sky. There is just like golden hour look at the moment. Given how sorry, this is beautiful, isn't it? So lucky with the weather, right?
Yeah.
And the sunset. It's like you know, I don't know how I feel about God and all the rest of it, I have to be honest, but it seems like it's been blessed.
Yeah.
With all this good weather and what have you, you know. Fantastic.
Yeah.
I just love all the colours and everything.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Then we have
Yeah. I like your shirt, it's very similar to mine.
Thank you.
Can I get closer?
It's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Babar ay man ikot na karawlay lay.
Victory medal suso.
Turang ipay na banwa. Turang na pinarabi.
One tudo.
Roto bikaw. Una na kinawen sudu. Manda sakali mo na babi ni binaka. Ilo mo nang may bisa erdi kuar. Sabo do ibalo ng wane. Sa mendame na yo kanirua may bandin hindi na buku ni ay hindi mengarabi ni kuwa. Sa may labi na nung banwa endo na yo lebu. Kendo na ngone marama lebu. Ka kilo sana le basang ini me odim bunga na korro. Kena bono ang berek, kena bono ang wala ni kino dunia. Klani no do kani. Kila bakro, baru do badalkan rabi or na ngone. Arong la bosi ni kolon kuwa. Ami ekia na buku ni oya ni bubale. Oya ekia na karo. Ame la beno ko bono na kena yaw lewu, kena marama lewu. Ang la beno kena ma over indo namba inalay. Dewu igni no bonwa. Namu to bonwa na bono na dolo kena lawa. Na kena buso ngo bere. Ka kemboro ngena bale binalawa na do bindi do na boni balu. Kalau berkena mak mau bar i kena uli lay sara. Kena buku ni ya uli buka bambi kena ngon marama. Sampai so di ki o ni sing ni kuah. Kalau sabo di balo sama iban di ni kuah nando biokan. Abu bale ruah.
Masani kena cucu baturangan. Kadip sa cuna kamu na kundasana we kamani. Angon turana kire brabi. Nore cucu nangon turana termati aku di balu. Robo bale sangon turana roti biwa. Ikadi bina kamunangan ando kana moli na rokoba na babi ni binaka. Na boleh buna yal ni loloma. Na boleh buna irai-irai. Sarabi na singa ni pua. Na buna romai bo dinangone. Ni law bo rosaba na matikina. Adabuchi na babi ni binaka. Na may kadi batalang na kamunanga. Na nito banu ni binaka ni na langindon na lolako. Na buni bubale. Baru tagi kena naturang. Labe cibuana kalombula sombuna nona loloma. Ro kalungata na bubale bau. Kalungata na nonto beokani. Sosoko na kenanra. Bau dikanda vata na kamunanga na nawan nona loloma naturanga. So ya una mate. Dana kenda maliwa. Tumbu bale una mate tuni kalau nondo liliu na karisto mana. Hey, ini dia satam saciani. Kamunanga saya lebu kaliu. Amdo. Amdo. Nasa valeu.
Okay, valeu. Wow, this is where it's all happening. This is the engine room. Oh, that's amazing! All the food. Wow, looks beautiful there.
Yes. Butter chicken.
Butter chicken, really?
Yes.
Wow. Who made it?
Oh, one of my uncle did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fish.
Sweet and sour fish.
Sweet and sour fish.
Oh, what fish is it? What sort of fish?
Marlin.
Mali.
Marlin.
Oh, Mali. Okay.
And this one. This one, what's the kera?
What's that there?
Basukera.
Basukera. Okay, basukera.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Dear. kids are all lining up. Looks, this is for the kids, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How's the food? Good? How's the food? Nice? Is the food nice? Nice?